Hello my art viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions. Today we are going to learn different types of shapes. This is part 2 of season 1 for beginners. So this video will help you to improve your flow. Initially I am going to draw circle using two lines, that is horizontal and vertical. So here you should not draw dark outline. You should make a rough outline using several lines. After those several lines are giving satisfying output, you can use a darker grade pencil in order to make a dark outline. Here I am making a satisfying output. So after this, I'll use a darker grade pencil or else I'll use this pencil to make it a perfect outline. In the second method, you can erase it easily, but if you go to first method, the outline is very dark, so you can't use eraser. So we are going to wave shapes. You will see different types of waves. This will really impact a lot in your drawing. This will also improve your freehand drawings. Using these shapes, you can draw hair strands, water waves, snake, etc. and many more. So you can practice here from left to right and right to left. Okay, done. We'll go to next shape. Those are vertical waves, so these are perfectly used for hair strands. So I'll show this process as fast as possible. So you can do as many as possible waves, which is towards left, which is towards right, and you can make it as many as possible, but I'm showing only 4 types of waves. So we are almost done with this waves. We are going to next shape, that is loop. So you can go from left or you can go from right, but do it completely until you are satisfied. So it is just a relaxing exercise and which will also improve your flow, but the hidden fact is this will definitely improve your drawing, trust me. And we are going to next shape. You can call it as a tail or something or other, but I don't know the shape. So let's just practice drawing fine lines and holding pencil properly. That is your main motto of this shape. So using waves you can draw curly hair, but using this you can draw straight hair. So we'll also use these fine lines in drawing eyebrows, eyelashes and etc. So next we are going for other shape, that is U shape. So first we'll go towards right and again we can go towards left. So place the arrows and you can just follow the arrows. So we are going towards left, 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 left. Draw, left, 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 left until you are satisfied. Okay, we'll go to other shape. So that is oval. This shape can be used in drawing flowers and many more. Make it many ovals. Left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top and many more. So I'm almost done with the shape. So I'll go with other oval facing in different direction. That's all. And other oval in horizontal direction. Yes, I'm done with this one. So we'll move to other shape. So you can call slanting lines. So it is almost a V shape, but in center it is not intersecting each other. So now perfectly it is a V shape. Again I am repeating the same. Make sure you are holding pencil properly, which is already mentioned in part 1. So if you hold too far or if you hold too close, you will miss the flow. That is for sure. And other shape for today is square. So again, as I repeated for circle, don't draw the darker outline. Make it light as possible. So you can draw the reference lines in between and you can draw several lines making a perfect outline. So there is nothing wrong in using several lines. You can erase it at the end, but your destination is to get a perfect outline. So exactly in this way, so I suggest you to use this method. So next shape is rectangle. So using rectangle, we are going to draw a book, like a simple book using several lines. So this is outline of book. just a rough one, don't judge on it. And I'm just showing example for you. I hope some are wondering what is this. So this is kneaded eraser, which is perfectly used and suggested for artists for highlights and erasing it without any marks. Okay, I'm satisfied with this shape and we'll go to the other shape, that is triangle. So it is not looking properly. So what I'll do is, from next time we should draw using reference lines. So here we are going to draw reference lines first and then we are going to join them. So this will get a perfect outlook and the triangle is perfectly alright. As ever said, use several lines and erase it after you get a desired one. So as suggested, use second method, avoid first one. And last but not least, give credits to your art. This will improve your confidence and motivate to do more arts. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.